Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can back up WhatsApp to iCloud. So let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up your settings application in your mobile device. Tap on your Apple ID. Inside here, scroll below, tap on iCloud. Inside here, before backing up WhatsApp, there are two main things we need to check. Check your iCloud storage. Make sure you have enough space available. WhatsApp backup, especially those that includes photos and videos, can take up a lot of storage. Next, simply tap onto it and make sure WhatsApp is turned on. Now that your iCloud is set up, simply open up WhatsApp. Inside WhatsApp, simply tap on your profile icon. Scroll below, tap on Chats, then simply tap on Chat Backup. Now inside here, you will see the last backup time and the total size of your backup. To back everything up right now, you can simply tap on Backup Now. I also recommend turning on automatic backups. You can choose a daily, weekly, or monthly. Weekly is good minimum. So if you want your video saved as well, make sure include video is turned on. Once the backup finishes, the date and time will update confirming that your WhatsApp data is safely stored in iCloud. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.